In this video, I will show you how you can link between different wiki pages and also how to organize wiki pages overall. To link to another wiki page inside of an existing one, click Edit first. Then pick a place in your text where you wish to put the link upon. Mark it and click Insert Link here. You see that you can put in a variety of different links like URL, wiki, or even a link to connections files. In this case, we want to choose wiki page link. You can see all the wiki pages that you can possibly link this particular page to in the list here. Just pick one and then click OK. You can see how it's been marked in blue here. Then click Save and Close. And we have a functioning link to another wiki page right here on this one. To organize your pages and create peered pages or child pages, meaning other pages that are on the same level or pages that are one level below the one you're working off, then you have to click Page Actions, and then Create Child or Create Peer are your two options. Obviously here you can also choose to print a page or move it or even put it in the trash if you want to delete it. But we're going to create a child page. Just click that. You'll be taken to the same type of page that you use when you're creating just a new wiki page. Simply type in a title, add some tags, and then your text. Once you have done all that and you're happy with your new wiki page, just click Save and Close. And you will see right here that it has been put just under the page that we were on before. It is a child page, a sub-page now, and you can see that clearly because it's a little pulled in from the top page that it's working off of.